We've been working on exercises to help us become better drawers. Some of these exercises have helped us to see our subject better so that we're better at getting it down on paper. And the problem sometimes with seeing, especially for beginning drawers, is that we're trying to take a three-dimensional object and put it down on a two-dimensional piece of paper. So I'm going to show you another trick today. You're going to need a small piece of light tag board, a scissors, a ruler, and a pencil. Fold the tag board in half, then grab your ruler and on the fold measure out 1.5 inches. Get it in the center of the fold and then measure 1 inch out from the fold on each side. Now connect the two ends of your lines together, and this gap should be 1.5 inches. Now grab your scissors and cut out this little rectangle that you've created. What you've made for yourself is a small viewfinder. The inside dimensions should be 1.5 inches by 2 inches. I said before that one of the difficulties with drawing is getting our three-dimensional world down on a two-dimensional piece of paper. So then what we do is we use this tool that we've created, the viewfinder, to help our eyes see what is and what is not in the picture plane. What it does is it helps us to flatten our space. Because we have two eyes, we have something known as stereoscopic vision. So that's what allows us to see depth, to see the areas in between things and around. It also sometimes gets in the way of our drawings. So when we use one eye and use the viewfinder, it helps us to flatten our space. Let me demonstrate. So if I want to do a drawing of my tabletop, I would first focus on where are my subjects, the positive space, and where is the negative space. So the positive space would be the objects, the negative space is everything that is not the object. If I use the viewfinder on this horse, the horse, of course, is the positive space. The negative space would be everything behind it. If I want to do a little drawing of this plant on my desk, if I use the viewfinder to decide what's in the picture and what isn't, I can then look at my subject for its positive space, the plant itself, and I can try to evaluate what are my negative spaces, which would be everything but the plant. So that's your job for this exercise. I want you to draw only the negative spaces. Only draw out the spaces which are not your subject.